Hello students, let us continue solving problems. So I'll be solving this from module 2, okay, module 2 DC voltage regulators. This is your question. The DC voltage source designed has Vs equal to Vcc equal to 12 volts, V naught equal to, that is output voltage is 6.3 volts, R1 resistance is 270 ohms, D1 is a Zener diode which is used is IN753 is used, okay, as a Zener diode. IL max current is, maximum load current is 42 milliamps. If the supply source resistance is 25 ohms, determine the line regulation, load regulation and ripple rejection for the circuit. Okay. Now before solving this, let us note down the given data. Okay. What all things are given here? He has given Vs, which is nothing but Vcc is 12 volts. Output voltage is 6.3 volts, right? Then we have diode D1 is given, which one? IN753. The importance of giving this number is you need to take ZZ, right? ZZ, that is Zener impedance. Zener impedance is 7 ohms. 7 ohms for IN753 Zener diode. For IN753 diode, 7 ohms. Okay. This is fixed. You have to choose this only. This comes from data sheet. Then what else? Yeah. Maximum load current is 42 milliamps given. Then supply source resistance is given. Yes, RS, right? S stands for sources. This is given to you 25 ohms. Determine line regulation, load regulation and ripple rejection. One by one we will do this. Okay. Now we have line regulation as, yes, tell me, change in V naught for plus or minus 10% Vs change, right, divided by V naught into 100 will give you in percentage. Now here, what all things you require? 10% change in Vs you require, change in V naught you require, right? V naught is given, these two components you require. How will you get? 10% change in Vs is, I'll write here, change in Vs, isn't it? Nothing but change in Vs. That is 10% of Vs, which is nothing but, yeah, 10% of, what is Vs? Vs is given to us 12 volt. 12 volt, isn't it? So this is nothing but 0.1 into 12 is nothing but 1.2 volts. This is change in Vs, 1.2 volts. Now we also require change in V naught, right? Change in V naught. How do we calculate this? Change in Vs into ZZ divided by resistance R1, right? You have this formula with you, substitute here. Change in Vs is 1.2, ZZ as I told, you need to take 7 ohms only for this particular Zener diode. How much is R1? Yeah, I missed out. R1 is given here 270 ohms. 270 ohms. So this will give you change in V naught equal to how much? If you solve this, you will be getting 31 millivolt. Okay, 31 milli means you are getting 10 raised to minus 3 volts. This is your change in V naught. This is your change in V naught. Now finally substitute this change in V naught and change in Vs in your line regulation. Therefore, line regulation equal to, yes, change in V naught for plus or minus 10% change in Vs divided by V naught into percentage 100. Tell me, what should I write here? V naught is given to you 6.3 volt. So change in V naught for 10% change in Vs we have calculated here, right? So this is your change in V naught for 10% change, in Vs. So 31 milli divided by 6.3 volt is your output voltage into 100 will give you 0.5%. This is your line regulation. Finally, you should write like this: line regulation is equal to 0.5%. This is your line regulation. Hope you understood. Now similarly, go on calculating load regulation and ripple rejection. Okay, let me clean this part. I need space here. So what is our load regulation formula? We know that load regulation is change in V naught for change in IL, isn't it? Where IL changes from minimum to maximum, whole divided by V naught into 100. Right? Now you require change in V naught for change in current. For this, you need to make this calculation. Change in V naught you will get like this for the corresponding change in current. Sorry. Let me use red ink here. IL max RS ZZ. I'm directly substituting the equations of our design. Okay, you can refer my design video where I have shown you how to get change in V naught corresponding to load current and how to get change in V naught for corresponding change in Vs. If we substitute here, IL maximum is 42 milliamps, right? 42 milli 10 raised to minus 3. RS is given to you 25 ohms, ZZ is 7, R1 is 270. So change in V naught will be 27 into 10 raised to minus 3, that is 27 millivolts. 27, okay, that is 27 millivolts change in V naught. Then we substitute here in load regulation. Therefore, load regulation is equal to change in V naught for IL is 27 milli, right, divided by output voltage 6.3 into 100 will give you, yes, do this calculation. This will be 0.4%. 0.4%. This is your load regulation. This is your second answer. Last one is remaining, which is that ripple rejection. Ripple rejection is remaining. Yes, the last part remaining is ripple rejection. Ripple rejection, right? Now what formula we have for ripple rejection? 20 log VRS by VR naught, right? This is given in dB, right? This is ripple rejection is here, attenuation in the ripple, right? Attenuation in the ripple, that is loss in the ripples, right? Now to get this ripple rejection, you should know what is VRS, what is VR naught, right? Now VR naught is calculated as VRS into ZZ divided by R1, right? Now here we don't know what is VRS, right? To get VR naught we also require VRS, right? But other things we already know, right? You keep VRS as it is. What is ZZ? Into 7, right? And what is R0? R1? 270. Just do one thing. Keep this VRS here. See, I'll rewrite this. VRS as it is. ZZ is 7 divided by R1, 270. Right? 7 by 270 is how much? VRS 7 by 270 is, you do this, this will come out to be 25.9 into 10 raised to minus 3. Okay, so you are getting like this. VR naught is 25.9 into 10 raised to minus 3 times of VRS, right? You have got this equation, right? This you will be using, this equation you will be using in your ripple rejection like this. Therefore we have ripple rejection equal to 20 log VRS is VRS, keep it as it is. Down we have VR naught, right? In place of VR naught I will be writing it is this into this, right? VRS into 25.9 into 10 raised to minus 3, right? Now see, VRS gets cancelled. I am remaining only with 1 upon 25.9 into 10 raised to minus 3. So this will give you, solve this. This should give you the result 31.7 dB, 37.9, 37.7 dB. This is your ripple rejection. Okay, this will end your problem here. Let us solve one more problem on this.